Find the inverse z transformation of 12 by 3 minus 1 by z to 4 minus 1 by z. Or evaluate z inverse of 12 by 3 minus z inverse 4 minus z inverse. Z inverse is equal to 12 by 3 minus z inverse into 4 minus z inverse, which is equal to z inverse of 12 by 3 minus 1 by z into 4 minus 1 by z. So taking LCM in the denominator, z inverse of 12 by 3z minus 1 by z, 4z minus 1 by z. Taking that z in the denominator's denominator to the numerator. So you will get z inverse of 12 into z square by 3z minus 1 into 4z minus 1, right? So taking 3 outside from the denominator first bracket and 4 outside from the denominator the second bracket. So you will get z inverse of 12 z square by 3 into z minus 1 by 3, 4 into z minus 1 by 4. 3 4s are 12. So 12 in the denominator and the 12 in the numerator get cancelled. So you will get z inverse of z square by z minus 1 by 3 into z minus 1 by 4. So numerator can be splitted into z into z. So z inverse of z by z minus 1 by 3 into z by z minus 1 by 4 using convolution theorem can be written as z inverse of z by z minus 1 by 3 convolution z inverse of z minus z by z minus 1 by 4. We know z inverse of z by z minus a, which is equal to a power n. So in the first term, instead of a you are having 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 power n. The second term you are having 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 power n. That is 1 by 3 power n convolution 1 by 4 power n. Using convolution definition is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to n 1 by 3 power k 1 by 4 power n minus k, right? So this is equal to k is equal to 0 to n 1 by 3 power k 1 by 4 power minus k 1 by 4 power n, because 1 by 4 power n minus k we are splitting the powers, right? Now which is equal to k is equal to 0 to n 1 by 3 power k. So 1 by 4 power minus k can be written as 4 power k into 1 by 4 power n, that is equal to 1 by 4 power n summation k is equal to 0 to n 4 by 3, grouping 1 by 3 and 4 because both powers are k, 4 by 3 power k, which is equal to 1 by 4 power n summation 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square plus etc plus 4 by 3 power n, which is equal to 1 by 4 power n. This is a GP with first term a and common ratio r is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore 4 by 3 power n plus 1 minus 1 by 4 by 3 minus 1, right? So that is equal to 1 by 4 power n, 4 power n plus 1 by 3 power n plus 1 minus 1 by 4 by 3 minus 1. Taking LCM in the numerator and denominator, 1 by 4 power n, 4 power n plus 1 minus 3 power n plus 1 by 3 power n plus 1, 4 minus 3 by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 power n, 4 power n plus 1 minus 3 power n plus 1 by 3 power n plus 1, 4 minus 3 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 4 power n, 4 power n plus 1 minus 3 power n plus 1, 3 power n plus 1 in the denominator can be splitted into 3 power n into 3, and in the denominator 1 by 3 can be written as its reciprocal 3, right? Will come to the numerator. 3 and 3 get cancelled. 1 by 4 power n, 4 power n plus 1 minus 3 power n plus 1 by 3 power n, that is 1 by 12 power n, because 4 into 3 in the numerator power n. So 4 into 3 12 power n, 4 power n into 4 minus 3 power n into 3. So splitting 4 power n into 4 by 12 power n minus 3 power n into 3 by 12 power n. That is equal, therefore z inverse of 12 by 3 minus z inverse 4 minus z inverse is equal to 4 into, so 4 by 4 power n by 12 power n can be grouped into 4 by 12 power n. So 4 by 12 1 by 3 power n. The second term minus 3 into 3 power n by 12 power n can be grouped into 3 by 12 power n. 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 power n is the inverse. Thanks.